So we start off today's video with another outdoor inspired DIY project. Looks like they're going to be making some type of pool here. Oh, I love the design that they're coming up with. Very aesthetically pleasing. So they got all these pieces from Amazon. Wow, what a cool idea. Make your own pool, you'll save so much money. Looks like they are ready for summer. They got the fake grass and everything. Oh, I love this setup. The lights, wow. Loving the vibe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone who's going to be making that lamp that we previously saw. So they grabbed these pieces from IKEA, spray painted them. Use the little puck lights. You can get those from like Amazon. You can also use fairy lights. I've seen that being done before as well. It's just a really cool way to make your own lamp. Very nice. Ooh, love the way it looks turned on. They have a very nice bedroom. So serene. Wow, bubble lamp tutorial. Look at this. Okay, so are these like clear ornaments that they're using for this, or just like clear balls? So this is a really cool idea. Oh yeah, these are definitely ornaments because they're stringing them together. Wow. You could also take colored ornaments and do the same thing too if you wanted to, FYI. Wow, I like it clear though. I think that looks really cool. So it looks like they did two different layers here, really creating a cool bubble effect. Oh, I love the vibe of this. This is so cool. Oh, I was hoping she would show us how it looked turned on. So then we have two planters here. This looks like plastic to me. So they're gluing this together. So a couple of different projects you can make with this idea. It could be a side table. Let's see what they end up doing. Yep, they're making a side table. Very simplistic way of doing that. They used like a cutting board, I believe, on the top. And you can use it as a storage unit. Very nice. I would totally forget. I mean, this is the remote, but if it was anything else, I'd totally would forget what was in there. Well, it looks really nice. Very like high end too. It doesn't look like plastic here. All right, so I think this is another IKEA hack. Those are the same little like vases from IKEA. We have some really pretty tulips here. Beautiful purple. Are they just using bases for what they're supposed to be. And I guess it's just making like a decorative centerpiece. Oh, candle holders. Oh, that's cool. Until the flower dies, and then it's kind of like, okay, gotta replace it. But I like the idea. I think that's pretty cool. You could use fake flowers and not have to worry about that. Oh, here we have someone making a table. I love the DIY tables. Wow, that was an incredibly fast reel. But whoa, that looks amazing. Did she use a placemat for that? That is incredible. Very cool. Easy Amazon DIY for spring. So this is from the same person that made that pool that we saw in the first of the video. So she's making like this nice little umbrella setup. What is that stuff she used for the base? I'm not sure what that stuff was, but I love the vibe of her outdoor space. Look, I love the pink door. This is so cute. Heat resistant spray. Oh, they made like a little lamp. Oh, that's cute. Very cool. Alright, you guys. So if you did feel inspired by today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.